Agbiotech started because we could see that there was an opportunity for producing a new type of biological insecticide that farmers needed, but wasn't being manufactured in a way that was cost effective and really available for farmers in a broad scale.
When we started with NPV in Australia, we were in a terrible mess. We had resistance to all the insecticides, we had tremendous public resistance to using insecticides, and using insecticides killed beneficial, which meant we had to use more insecticides, and we were on a treadmill that we couldn't get off. But with the advent of integrated pest management and NPVs, we're off that treadmill now. So no longer do we have all the problems with neighbours and the environment with spraying all the time. No longer will we be losing chemical to resistance every year.
It's long been the ambition of the crop protection industry to have a biological product with all the benefits that brings for the environment, for applicators and for consumers, that has the same performance as a chemical. And Agbiotech has not just one such product, but we have a range of products that can do exactly that.
NPV works by being sprayed on the crop, where it's readily consumed by the caterpillar pest. After ingestion, the virus metastasizes or spreads to virtually every cell within the caterpillar's body. The NPV liquefies or lyses the caterpillar from inside out, releasing billions of NPV particles onto the crop. These new NPV particles then serve to inoculate the crop from further attack by the caterpillar pest.
Well, Agbiotech's the world leader in NPV production because we've developed a highly automated, customised production system. This means that we can mass produce the virus in huge quantities with very, very high quality. So for farmers, what this means is a very consistent product that is cost effective.
You know, I think the efficacy of the NPVs are much better than what I was accustomed to in the past. I think it's going to be a major factor in helping us control some of these hard to control pests that we deal with in our major row crops.
We've been using NPV on our crops for about 20 years, and it's been a very proven technology that has performed very well in the paddock for us. And we just spray it and forget.
I think in general we only do one spray. I think timing of the spray is critical, so we get on early and let the virus build in the paddock.
Well, we'd like to get that NPV on early. As soon as we find any grubs, we hop straight in, and the benefit seems to keep cycling through the subsequent crop.
Another benefit that we see with NPVs has been allowing beneficials to build up in the crop and control secondary pests, and that's been very important for things like aphids. We see that helping with midge, and what that means is we get a spray on to control the primary pest, which was the Helicobacter, and we then don't have to keep coming back and back and back.
Yeah, we've been using NPV for the last 15 years on our watermelon crop. With my pickers, we pick, every 2 or 3 days, so obviously we need to get back into the field. It's got to be safe for our pickers, and we know it's a safe product to use.
We've been using NPVs in our spray regime for as long as I've been farming. That's 20 years, so we're the driest inhabited continent on Earth, and where I farm we get 22-inch annual rainfall. Yeah, it's dry a lot of the year, and we're still getting great results from NPV. They work better in more humid, rainy conditions when the grubs are actively feeding.
It is a natural product. It is safe to use around households, neighbours. We've got an organic farmer next to us, and there's no problems there whatsoever. And you just know that it's a safe product that works.
Being the president of our North Coast Oilseed Growers Association, which predominantly grows soybeans, we've seen growers that without the use of things like NPV and an IPM system, they wouldn't be growing soybeans anymore because of these other insects that just can't be controlled.
Over the 20 years that I've been using it on my farm, we haven't seen any resistance.
We see no signs of resistance in NPV whatsoever.
Brilliant. Nothing short of brilliant. I just can't believe how effective it is on 40 and 50 grubs per head of sorghum, and we're cleaning them up in the space of a week. They're all small, mind you, but we do a great job.
When we look at market shares, especially for products used in sorghum to control Helicobacter, that market share is probably in excess of 95% with NPV, and the reason for that is because it works so well, it's a one-stop shop.
Look, I think it's a great product. There's no doubt about that. I wouldn't still be using it after 15 years if I didn't. It's just, I just love it.
Right now I think it's unlimited. I think there's a potential for a lot of use with these products.
It's rare to have something which is so rich in potential as AgBiotech's NPV range of products.
I mean, NPVs are proven to be able to control pests in a wide range of situations, and we think that that can be applied throughout the world against new targets, and we're working to achieve that right now.